Hello guys, how are you all? So in this video today we will discuss about IVF. IVF, very common topic and recent topic. You might have heard about this IVF through internet, on TV, in newspaper also. Now what is IVF? IVF is also known as in vitro fertilization. I stands for in, V stand for vitro, F stand for fertilization. And another name for IVF is said to be test tube baby technique also. Test tube baby. Test tube baby. So in this video we will come to know that what is IVF and under which condition a couple have to go for IVF condition. So as we know that the egg is produced by the ovary and it is released into the fallopian tube of the female. This is a fallopian tube and here is ovary and then there is uterus there. Uterus leads into vagina. Under normal condition, egg is released here in the oviduct and male releases their sperm into the vagina, and through the vagina then sperm travel towards the oviduct. And here in the oviduct the sperm and egg meet together. But in certain women their oviduct are blocked. There is blockage here in the oviduct, and because of this blockage here in the oviduct the sperm is not capable to reach up to egg. So because of that these sperm and these egg, they are not capable to fuse together, and as they are not meeting together, so natural process of fertilization does not take place in such case. So these kind of couple, they opt for IVF technique. IVF technique. Now what is done in this technique? In this technique, first of all, egg is taken out. Egg is taken out from the oviduct of the female. Now this egg is taken to the lab. Within the lab, egg is kept in a test tube. This is egg here. And sperm are taken from the husband of the female. And then the sperm are also released here in the egg, where within the test tube, the egg and sperm meet together. And by their meeting, they produce a structure known as zygote. So we can say here that zygote is formed here within the test tube. That is why this technique is also known as test tube baby. And what is the next step afterwards? After the formation of zygote, then the next step is this zygote is then again shifted in the uterus of the same female. And within the uterus, this zygote grows into a complete fetus and it born as a normal baby. So this baby which is formed by this procedure, we call it as test tube baby. But its name is misleading. From the name it seems that whole of the baby is formed in the test tube, but it is not correct. In the test tube only the fertilization take place inside the test tube. That only one structure is formed in the test tube, and what is that? Zygote. Rest of the growth of the fetus occur in the uterus of the mother, same as in normal case, and the baby is delivered out in the normal way as during normal fertilization. So this is about in vitro fertilization. It is really helpful for those couple who can't have a baby by normal procedure. So along with this children, you should know about one more term, that is one was in vitro fertilization. So in vitro means when something happen at a place which is not its original place to happen. Like in this case, what is original place of fertilization to take place? Originally, the fertilization take place in oviduct, but when it can't happen there, then this fertilization is carried in test tube, means it is not carried at its original place, and it is this type of fertilization is called one in vitro. And there is one more term that is called in vivo. In vivo term we use when fertilization happen at its natural place, at natural place. And what is natural place of fertilization? That is oviduct. So in most of the female, the fertilization is of which kind? It is in vivo fertilization. Clear? I hope this video is clear to you. So go through the video carefully, make notes on the topic of IVF. These are asked in the exam, and next time in the next video we will discuss some new concept. Thank you.